We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
Today we will discuss about mirror tool in SketchUp. Mirror is not a standard tool in SketchUp, but there are several ways to mirror objects. Here we use flip along option. First, we select the object we want to mirror. And right click on it and select the flip along option from the drop down list. This will give us the chance to select which plane of the object use as a mirror plane. Now you can see the object is mirrored and its source is deleted. If you want to source and mirror, you create a copy. And flip the copy of the object. Thanks for watching this video.